right, we're moving right along. So let's go into this next person that I want to talk to you about. That personalities that you need to understand, okay? And we're talking about personality that's going to help you be successful in your business. Also, these can help you within your relationship. So make sure you continue to look at the link in the description, and I'll make sure you get more information about that. So thank you for joining me. You're with Dr. Pamela Smith. So let's go right into this one. This one is an urchin. Now, an urchin is a person that they're pretty analytical. You know, they're always analyzing. They are people that will get the information before they get involved. They will look at it and analyze it up and down, all around. They stretching it this way, that way, you know. They just gotta really, really see if this is gonna make some sense to them. And that is not good for some people, but good for some people, because it depends on the type of business that you're going into. Because sometimes you need somebody, like when you're buying a property and you need to make a decision on, is this something that you need to go forward in? They're gonna go and check more into it than you would. They're gonna get the home inspection done. They're gonna have the roof checked. They're gonna have everything checked from head to toe, and they're gonna make sure that this house is sound. And if it's something I should buy, that is who an urchin is. Okay, so they always gonna balance that checkbook. You got what I mean? They gonna make sure it's right, and they usually dress conservative. And I'm gonna tell you, I've met people that are urchins. They usually do. If you really pay attention, they do the same thing. Because they're so neat and orderly and all that. They so punctual. It's a trip to get to know an urchin. Because they're so analytical. So, but the bad about them is that they're perceived as being too anal. You know what I'm saying? And they can be irritating because they can't, to me, I feel like they can't make a clear decision. Okay? And it comes to me, I feel like they disorganized. So that's what I'm saying, but that's pretty much their personality, I would say, you know. But let's talk about their weaknesses of a urchin. An urchin is unsympathetic. They really are. They're enthusiastic. They're hard to please. They really are. They're hard to please. They can be argumentative, domineering. They'll show off though that they know what they know. Got me? They know what they know. They're reluctant to take action faster than the whale and the shark. Okay, and they're hard to, they're proud about what they're doing because they believe they know what they know. Okay, and they could be and the other weakness, they could be forgetful. All right, so let's talk about some of the strength. Now, some of the strength of urchin is needed when you're doing certain things in a business. And like I said, it could be going into real estate and buying a major purchase. Something that involves major purchases, it is good to have an urchin because they're going to question the deal. They're going to open it and make sure that it's work. They're not just going to accept what the person say. They're going to check it all out for you. So they're the type of person that's going to help you make a good decision about whatever you're getting into, whatever business you may start, whatever person, even a person you get involved with, because they can be, because they're competitive and they want to make sure that they're right. They want to make sure that whatever they're going into, they can be persuasive about it, that they can get what they want done, because they're going to be outspoken. They're going to talk because they come off as a leader. So they're going to do some talking. They're going to be very talkative, but the one I know had dry humor. Think they funny, they not. But I always get saying something, but don't make no sense. But they could be reserved, okay? I will say they are reserved. To me, they're sociable, but not really sociable. You know what I mean? They'll go where you're going and they'll be involved, but they ain't really gonna do too much. They gonna sit there and watch and see what's going on, and they'll have a few little drinks and kiki, but they're not gonna really be like the dolphin, But they can be out there like that. But then again, I'll give you a list again about more about the strength and weaknesses of the urchins in a journal, okay? So I hope this information about our urchins. Remember, the urchins are very analytical people. They want information about what you're going into, what you're going to start, your business, how you're going to do it. They like to analyze everything. They will structure it the way you want to. They will make sure it makes sense. They're going to make sure it's put together right. They're going to make sure they cross their I's and dot their T's. That's what if you're looking for something, when you're making a major decision that needs to be, dotted and crossed, then an urchin is who you want to get to know. Okay? So you've been with Dr. Pamela. Thank you for joining me again, my entrepreneurs, as we keep learning about how we're going to be successful and make this money, right? So thank you, and I will be back, and we will talk about one more, and we'll be done with this series. All righty. See you soon.